BlockFi, Celsius, Ledn, and Nexo. What do all these crypto yield farming sites have in common? Well, they all lowered their interest rates over time, while Hodlnaut has actually maintained or increased their interest rate over time. So in this video, let me share my interest earned over these few weeks in Hodlnaut, as well as share with you some of the new user benefits that you could get by signing up with Hodlnaut right now. Hey guys, welcome back to Honey Money SG. My name is Christopher, and in this channel, we are all about building financial knowledge, share money saving hacks, and also help you lead a fulfilling quality of life. So quick disclaimer here, this video is not sponsored by anyone or Hodlnaut, and it's also not financial institution because crypto is highly speculative. So you should always do your own research before you put in money into such investment stuff. Alright, so some of you may have been using other crypto yield farming platforms or lending platforms such as Celsius or BlockFi, but you know that it's really annoying when they lower their interest rates, right? Because you earn much less interest on your cryptocurrencies. So that's why you're looking at this video now, because Hodlnaut actually still maintain quite a good interest rate, especially when we are looking at Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough of what Hodlnaut interest rates are on the respective cryptocurrency. And let's start with the first one, which is Bitcoin, right? So Bitcoin actually gives you 7.46 APY, which is really quite a good rate considering that Bitcoin is the largest market cap for crypto. And similarly, we also have the wrapped Bitcoin or WBTC at 7.46% as well. Next up, we have Ethereum, the second largest market cap cryptocurrency at 7.46 annual percentage yield again. And for the USD stablecoins, we have Tether, USDT, as well as USDC, USD coin. Both of these stablecoins would yield 12.73% APY. So that's a really high rate, right, for your stablecoins. And lastly, we have the DAI stablecoin at 8.32 APY as well, which is not too bad. So as of now, you could see that Hodlnaut actually just offers 6 cryptocurrencies for the lending and giving you high interest rates. Regarding other popular coins like Solana or Cardano, the team is looking into it and may ramp it up and get them on board in the future. And with that, let me take you to my Hodlnaut platform and I'll show you how much interest have I actually earned for this past few weeks. Let's go. Alright guys, welcome to my Hodlnaut platform. Now for purpose of recording, this was dated 4th of December 2011. And this was a really phenomenal day for cryptos because there's a market-wide correction on cryptos. Bitcoin just fell over 20% just on today alone. So you can see my balances in Hodlnaut are as the lowest as it could get in one day. But not to worry, because in Hodlnaut, we are still holding on to our cryptocurrencies and earning that high interest rates, right? So my Hodlnaut account value right now is around 11,000 USD, mainly in coins such as Bitcoin, right? So I have around 0.1 of Bitcoin, and then I have Ethereum about 1.18. I have USD coin around 1.5k USD, while the rest will be negligible amounts because those are from my affiliates interest payouts. So you can see this really nice interest payout ticker counting down by the second. So every Monday around 5 PM to 5:30 PM Singapore time, they will pay out your interest into the Hodlnaut platform. So whatever you earn in the interest will be paid out at the same kind. And you can really see here that Hodlnaut is really generous in their sign-up bonuses, right, in terms of affiliate marketing payouts. So if I refer a new user, they will get some bonus, I will get some bonus as well. Because it's a season's greetings for the new user promotion, which I'll talk about later, to really encourage new users to sign up to their Hodlnaut platform, right? So that's why the rewards are so good for the referrer as well. So let's take a look at the statement, right? So over here is the interest statement by the cryptocurrency that you have. And you could see that the interest is actually accrued daily. So day by day, they will calculate how much interest has your cryptocurrency actually generated by the day, right? So for example, for myself, my Bitcoin is around 0.1. So every day, this amount will be the interest generated by my 0.1 Bitcoin holdings. Of course, if you want to see other holdings, then you can go to other coins like USDC, right? So applied APR is around 12%. So APR is without the compounding, and if you compound it, it's called APY, and that's up to 12.73%. And you can see that for USDC, my balance is always fluctuating, right? Because I have some referral bonuses. If you sign up with my link below, you could get some referral bonus as well, so I get them too. And then this is the interest applied on the daily balance of your cryptocurrency. So you can do the own calculation, and that will actually sum up to 12% per year. Deposit and withdrawal, I won't go through this because I went through this in 2 of my previous Hodlnaut videos, which you all can take a look at this right hand corner over here to learn how you all can actually deposit and withdraw from Hodlnaut. And to give you guys some good news about the Hodlnaut platform, platform, they are going to give you one free withdrawal a month, right? So until they decided to end this campaign, they want to improve user experience. So they really want to promote this platform to you, and they are even giving you like one free withdrawal per calendar month. Will be enabled 30 days after the new user's first deposit. So make sure you have deposited some coins into it and wait for 30 days, because they really want you to hold this on their platform and not jump into other people's platform, right? Okay, and make sure that you deposit at least 1000 USD worth to get that sign up bonus. And of course, use my link below to get that bonus. But make sure that if you really want to withdraw, just do it after 30 days. Otherwise, you will be charged a withdrawal fee, yeah? Okay, for existing users wise, you all will be entitled to one free withdrawal per calendar month if their first deposit has been made more than 30 days prior to 16th of November. Okay, and then over here are some things to note about the calendar month, right? So it's basically the first day to the last day. And how to actually enable the free withdrawal, just have to log into your platform and then try to withdraw it. So if that is the first time you're withdrawing for the first time in a month, then you probably can choose this option, which is to redeem my free withdrawal now. And that's how you could withdraw your coins for free for the first time in a calendar month. Make sure you check that box if you want to redeem. If you don't want to redeem, that's fine as well, just that your withdrawal will be charged with the applicable gas fees. Alright, so that's about it for the Hodlnaut free withdrawal campaign, and this time I'm going to talk about the affiliate. Let's talk about the affiliate payouts, right? So if you actually refer your friends, you actually get 10% commission of what your friend actually earns. Of course, this is not paid out by your friend's interest, it's paid out by Hodlnaut itself. So your friend is actually not losing out if they use your referral code. And to those who have signed up using my referral link, really appreciate it. Now I have gathered around 48 active referrals, which is a significant number up from my 6 referrals in my first Hodlnaut video, right? And so far my affiliates has earned me a total commission of $35 USD. So it's not as astronomical as y'all can imagine. Okay, don't think y'all can make bank by just keep referring people. But it's a slow compounding process, right? And compound interest is the 8th wonder of the world. So we'll see how this snowballs to a larger amount next time. Okay, I just want to talk about this brand new feature called fixed deposit. So for Hodlnaut, they actually launched this fixed deposit just last week. Now this feature is actually not much use for people like me, because I have really a small number of cryptocurrencies. It's really for those large whales in crypto, right? If they have really large amounts of crypto. And the reason is because for large whales, they actually have a lot of Bitcoins and Ethereum and other stable coins, but they may be over the limit. What do I mean by the limit? If we take a look at Hodlnaut interest rates, right? The first 2 Bitcoin will be entitled to the 7.46% APY. But if you have more than 2 Bitcoins, then they will just get a very dismal rate of 4.08%. And if you are looking at Ethereum, likewise, only the first 20 Ethereum will be worth 7.46% APY. And if you have larger than 20 Ethereum, then it gets very low at 4%. Okay, similar thing happened to the stable coins above 25k USDC, you get 7.25%. So what this fixed term deposit targets is actually for those large whales which has really large number of cryptocurrencies balanced in Hodlnaut, right? Especially if they reach like tier 3. Then they get like less than 4% return on their interest rates. So these fixed term rates will actually benefit them, because they can get at least 4% on their Bitcoin and Ethereum, and then for USDC and USDT they could still get 8.25%. So it's more like to really encourage people to put their coins into Hodlnaut instead of opening with another crypto yield farming platform. But of course, if your cryptocurrency holding is really small like mine, right, then I don't think this fixed term rate will be beneficial to you anyway, because for us to hit first 2 Bitcoin is already a very difficult task, not to mention the next 8 Bitcoin. I could still get 4.08%. So 4% is not going to cut it, right? For us, we probably won't touch that rate until for a very long time. Okay, and for those people who have not signed up for Hodlnaut platform, this is the reason for you to sign up right now, because they have a season of giving sign up promotion where you could get even additional USDC on your first sign up. Okay, so let me go through what are the terms and conditions for this holiday airdrop 2.0, right? So if you have not signed up for Hodlnaut previously at all, you could sign up for a Hodlnaut account using my referral link, and then complete the KYC process, and you make a qualifying deposit of 500 USD worth of cryptocurrency, then you'll get $20 USDC bonus. For users who have already passed KYC but you have yet to deposit, meaning you already have an account but your account balance is 0, right? You can also deposit 500 right now, And then you get the $20 USDC as well. So you are treated like a new user who have not signed up before. Okay, and you know what's the additional thing? You know that this is allowed to be stacked on top of the default referral program, right? So if you use my referral link, you get the $20 USDC. But with this holiday season airdrop 2.0, you get another $20 sign up bonus, right? So in total, you could get up to $40 USDC. So it's really explained in this diagram over here, right? Sign up for an account, get KYC approved. You could do your test deposit if you want to verify the wallet address, and then you deposit $500 and above to get a $20 USD bonus payout. Deposit another $1,000 or above to get a second $20 additional bonus. So this offer is really targeted to new users who have never made a deposit yet, or they are existing users but have not even put in money into Hodlnaut yet. So remember, you need to do this within 1 week of your account setup and 1 week from the test deposit to be eligible. Also, one more thing is that you could just deposit a one-time deposit of $1,500 worth of crypto assets in a single transaction to receive both of the USD $20 payouts, right? So to put it simply, if you deposit $1,500 worth of cryptocurrency into Hodlnaut right now as a new user, you get $40 worth of bonus paid out in crypto. Okay, and once you have all the Hodlnaut accounts set up, you can start to refer your friends, right? Because once you refer your friends, you could also get really attractive gifts. Like for the first user you referred, you could get $50 USDC. And then for every additional active child after the first active child, they can earn up to 20 USDC per new active child. So you just keep referring, you get more referrals, you get more USD coins. So this promotion is really aggressive, yeah? That's why I'm also aggressively promoting this for you to sign up using my referral link. You won't lose anything by signing up with my referral link at all. So with that, I hope you have enjoyed my sharing of my Hodlnaut platform, as well as going through the new user sign up promotions, and could actually give you value, right? So just help me comment a thank you in the comment section below. I'll greatly appreciate it, and let's get back to the video. Alright guys, welcome back. So you could see that Hodlnaut is a really good platform, right? It has really nice user interface, easy to use, as well as really good sign up rewards, especially if you are a new user. And most importantly, the customer service and the support given online is really great. So I think it's really worth a shot, right? Just put a bit of your cryptocurrency in Hodlnaut, give it a go to see how it goes and whether the interest rates is really attractive for you. And if you are interested, then remember to use my referral link to sign up so that you can get more rewards on your Hodlnaut platform. Do remember to deposit at least 1,500 USD worth of cryptocurrency so that you can get the enhanced rewards for this holiday season. If you have found value from this video, remember to give me a like at the bottom of the video. Just takes 1 second of your time, and consider subscribing to my channel. Also join us over at our Telegram community group at HoneyMoneySG. And if you're considering which is the best crypto exchange to actually buy your cryptocurrency and transfer them over to Hodlnaut, then kindly check out my video over here, because I will share with you what's the cheapest and most efficient way to actually buy cryptocurrencies and transfer them to Hodlnaut. My name is Christopher. This is Honey Money SG, steering young adults to financial independence.